currently standing next to Professor Dr. Zulkarnain Abdul Malik, and he is the Director of Institute of High Voltage and High Current of University Technology Malaysia. Professor, how are you today?
Fine, thank you.
Yeah. Okay, Professor, would you like to explain to us your latest invention and how good your invention is, and how would it benefit the people of Malaysia and maybe people internationally?
Okay, to start, maybe I'll give a good example. We as human beings need to be diagnosed from time to time so that we make sure our health are in good condition. So there are special tools used by the doctors to make sure our health are in the optimum condition. Similarly, for power industries, we have electrical power supply supplying us with all the energies we need. But there is an important device inside the substation which is called surge arrestor. Now, surge arrestor is actually a device to protect the transformers from being damaged by the surge due to lightning. So it's like us being diagnosed by the doctors. Now I'm diagnosing the surge arresters from being damaged prematurely. So in this way, we can actually ensure power supply security and reliability throughout Malaysia. Unlike what is happening in UTM now, there is a power blackout, maybe due to improper protection. So indirectly, it will protect our convenience for having electricity 24/7, and it will also protect the industry, mainly the utility, the electric utility, from major losses due to damage and repairs.
Prof, before I continue further asking you about your wonderful invention, let us get to know you better.
Okay, no problem.
Can you please share with the viewers out there how long have you been in this industry, and what made you want to join this industry, and what made you come up with the idea to create such technology and invention?
Thank you. Actually, the work started when I did my PhD about 20 years ago, and from then on, my expertise is on lightning arresters. So about 7 years ago, we started a project to actually develop the tool to monitor the arrestor condition. So more or less, it's about 7 years of experience for this specific device, with many PhD students working on it, as well as myself.
But you yourself, your journey in this profession or in this line, how many years have you been in this profession?
In this profession, I would say since the starting of my master's, which is in '94, so it's about 20 years.
How did you and your group come up with this idea to produce what you have just produced today? I'll show the audience. Maybe we'll...
Let me hold for you.
Okay. We can show the audience. Maybe you want to explain more?
Okay. This is basically the clamp meter used to diagnose the arrestor. Basically, it will detect the leakage current from the arrestor. So I'll connect this at the bottom of the arrestor. So it's contactlessly, so it's safe, at the bottom of the arrestor to measure the leakage current. Now, the leakage current will be transmitted wirelessly, or rather Bluetooth, to my phone. So the way it works is that the leakage, the condition of the arrestor will be given, or will be monitored by this phone, which has its previous database or history, because it's all in the phone and database.
So in the application, you have just answered my question, and the application is called AppLAM.
AppLAM.
AppLAM. Okay. All right.